Are you happy now? Gotta try some of these. He looks tired. Yeah. Whoa. Don't go flying away here. Ooh, I'm getting all fluttery. It's alright, he's not going anywhere. He just wants to flutter his wings. Stretch. Lucy, get down. Can you unzip it and take my camera bag out? He should be on the top. He's like, what on earth? Oops. Oh. Stretch. Woo! Whee! It's getting twitchy. Oh, I gotta start flying pretty soon. He doesn't even have all his feather unsheathed. I don't know. He's just practicing. Let me turn this way, honey. It's alright. That's a bad picture. I can't do this with my left hand. Yeah, I have to eat my little piece of the food. Oh, get out, Lucy.
You know what? I think I might push for them to do South Pacific this year this summer. Because at least that way most of the costumes are lightweight.
Now he doesn't know what to do. Here, right here.
Just looking at the camera.
Not you, Lucy. Get down. You dropped it now. Lucy, it's not for you. There you go. The first
He's
time
looking at the stuff down there. Is he?
I don't know. He's still trying to swallow. He's like, that's different. It tastes good.
You could pick up that stuff off of her hand, you know, all by yourself.
The first time he was trying to figure out how to eat it. The first time it was pretty funny. There, you're getting the hang of it now.
Oh. Gotta rearrange my feathers.
There we go.
Oops, oops, he spit it out.
So cute. Oops. Woohoo.
He's just getting this. He wants to stretch those wings. Getting hyper.
Are you getting excited?
Oh yes, it's green. Oh good. I wanted to get some of this. Cute. I'm turning into a real bird.
With actual feathers. He's starting to look like one. Instead of a thing. Little monster. He's like, what is that? Whoa.
He looks so much better now.
Yeah.
Make sure everything is in the right place.
There's not even
What
feathers
is
there.
that?
I don't know.
Looks like you grabbed a piece of food from down there or something.
No, it dropped. Oh no, how about an orange one?
Try a different flavor.
Nope.
He's dropping it.
How about green? They seem to like the red ones the best, so. There's not even feathers there.
Squeeze it a little bit more. Silly nut.
What's that?
He's trying to decide where he wants to clean next. Try a red one on your finger. See if he likes them better. Looks not.
He's busy right now.